are pleased to show you the 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price, Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, passenger airbag, bucket seats, MP3 player, power door locks, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, power driver's seat, passenger vanity mirror, rear wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.